Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by aligning fundamentals. Confirm sample rates and clock source so digital drift won't sabotage sync. Record a short clap or impulse on both audio and MIDI-enabled instruments to create a reference transient. Once done, import that clip and the MIDI track into adjacent lanes and zoom tightly on the transient. Make sure timeline snap is off for micro nudges, and enable grid with small subdivisions only after you've established an exact transient alignment. Now you refine timing. Zoom to sample level and nudge the audio by samples or milliseconds until the transient and MIDI noton coincide. You should quantize MIDI conservatively. Apply subtle humanized settings or a groove template to avoid robotic results. If you're using plugins that introduce delay, enable plugin delay compensation in the DAW and check whether your interface reports input/output latency. Adjust track delay offsets when necessary so everything's finished by bouncing a short test mix and playing it back on another system to confirm sync holds outside the DAW. If you still notice intermittent drift, change the audio buffer size and update or reinstall a CO or core audio drivers. Higher CPU usage often causes hiccups. If external hardware is involved, resample or reclock that device to the session sample rate and rerun the reference impulse. Doing so often cures persistent timing offset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.